All right, so let's get it. Happy Friday to you guys. I hope you guys were doing pretty good for non-farm payroll. No, my prediction is bad. So if you guys follow my prediction, I'm sorry, guys. I failed you guys. I did. I really did. So, anyways, let's talk about what happened, right? Gold fell down pretty hard. Now, this is gold on the weekly chart. So let's go back to the daily chart here. Gold fell all the way back down. Let's look at this 1804 all the way down to 1759. Now, what's pretty interesting, I'd be looking to buy it for Monday, not Sunday night, but Monday. Reason being is because it dropped a lot, right? So I'm just buying for the retracement. So can't go wrong buying for the retracement. Support is here. Okay, there was some major support right back here as well. So these are some key advantages to take a look into at this price level right now. Yes, they dropped gold down a lot. Now, if you have the money to swing it long term, that's totally on you. But me, I'm a scalper, so I do like swinging too. But like I said, I don't swing as much as I used to. So as like I said, to be honest, as a funded trader, you want to scalp the market so you can make your profits daily. You guys get what I'm saying? So I'd be looking to buy it back for 1770, and then we'll see where it goes from there. That's as high as I'm looking at. Now, let's go into the US dollar index. The US dollar index has been climbing, and I'm looking for it to come back to breach this resistance here at 93. What's going to be interesting now, this is on the daily chart, is that this is a crucial resistance price at 93. Now, if it doesn't break this, I'm going to sell it back down because this is the same price that's been rejected multiple times at 93 for the US dollar index. And so that is another key factor was way back here too here. So for that being said, I'm not going to waste my time trying to like say, oh, since US dollar went up for non-farm payroll for today, I'm going to hold it and swing it for, the remainder of the month. We're still brand new into the month, right? I mean, we're just in the first week of August here, closing in the first Friday of the month here. Now, that doesn't mean that US dollar is going to make a big ass move, right? I mean, well, I'm sorry for my language. Doesn't mean it's going to make a big move and be like, oh, we're going to end up, swinging long term. That's another thing to pay attention to. Excuse me for my language there. I apologize. So US 30 is pretty interesting. It did break a new high. What's going to be more interesting to see is what's going to happen with the economy and what they're going to do with Wall Street by for the remainder of this month for August. So once we come to fall season here, overall, yes, it did break a new high. Now, what's not so good is that it's starting to trickle itself back down, causing me to make that decision to make it to sell back down to 31.5 and probably go back down to 35,000. That's just the way I'm looking at it right now. Yes, it did go up, but that doesn't mean that it's going to keep going up forever. It's been up since 2009, 2010, guys. So pay close attention what's going to go on, for the remainder of this month and for the remainder of this year. Same thing with S&P 500. It did break a new high, but it didn't break anything high. It didn't break like what I was looking for is to see it would come back and break like a really, one of these big candles here, like this one, this one, this one. Like I was looking for a massive move, man. Didn't really see a whole lot for this. So it did go up, made some money, like I said. But like I said, the biggest thing is that since it's starting to trickle itself back down, creating that doji candle, you have to be very careful what the next move is for Wall Street, S&P 500, NASDAQ. So that's another factor to pay attention to. UJ did go up. This is USD JPY on the daily. What's pretty interesting is that it's coming back to the same price structure right here. And I'm not for sure if it's going to break it or if it's going to come back down. If for some reason it doesn't break it, I'm just going to sell it back down to 110. That's just another factor that I'm looking at right now. Overall, it's still undecisive at this price too, due to the fact that it didn't break. If it actually broke 110.4 and kept going, I would keep buying it. But at this point, I would just sell it down as a retracement, and then we'll see if it breaks down even more. The pound did go down, and overall, this is the pound on the daily chart. Now, the pound didn't go down as much as I thought it'd be. So it might end up consolidating here from 138 to 139. And that is what I'm looking at right now. I don't really justify on swinging this pair. I wouldn't recommend swinging this pair unless you really see a massive reversal on this price. Other than that, not wasting my time on this. Euro GBP did break down a new low, so it did finally break this structure back here, the April structure right here. Finally broke this. It's below that. Now, what the question is, how much more lower can it go, right? Well, the next move would be all the way back down to 82, 82.5 and 82. No, yeah, 83 and 82.5. That's what I'd be looking at. So I'm gonna move these horizontal as you guys get a chance to see what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna move this down here. The next move would be right around here, in here, 83.392 and 82.975. Because it's already breached this support now. What's gonna, like I said, yes, it breached. Always expect retracement. Always expect retracement. As big of a move it is for the day, you always gotta expect retracement. That's why you can't go wrong scalping the retracements. Okay. Euro did go down. Wouldn't be surprised they shoot it down some more. I'm looking for it to retest this bottom structure here, 117. And I'd probably buy it right here and shoot it back up to 118 to 119 again. That's what I'd be looking at for Euro. That's what I'd be looking at on the daily right now. U-Swiss did shoot up. Massive move for U-Swiss. The next target would be 92. And then the big move would be 92.5. This one right here. Breaches that, and we come back to 94.5. But that's if it breaches 92.5. Other than that, I'm not wasting my time if it doesn't break that. USD CAD, still indecisive, still in this consolidated structure from 124.5 to 126. I'm not wasting my time buying or selling. I would just recommend scalping this pair. It's just another setup that you're looking at right now. This is on a daily chart too. And yes, this candle has engulfed over the previous candle, which is a bear candle, but it's still undecisive because it's still not making a move back up here to retest the 126 price. So we'll see where it goes for Monday. Australia and New Zealand did go down. I would keep selling it. Like I said, once it breaches this support, I would end up buying it for retracement. If it breaks through, all right, we're just going to keep selling it. Same thing with New Zealand. If New Zealand actually does come back down here and breaches this support here, what I'm looking at, 69, breaks down 69, I would keep selling it. But other than that, I would expect some kind of retest here, bottom out support, and then come back to retest 70 again. That's the way I'm looking at it right now. So since it was such a big move today for non-farm payroll, I would you always should always expect the retracements coming in on Monday, if not Tuesday. But usually the case is Monday. Now I'm talking about Monday morning, not Sunday opening. Okay, I don't care about Sunday opening. Of course, they're going to try and drive the price even more. But like I said, be close. I would pay close attention once we come to London sessions and then roll over to New York for Monday. So other than that, that's it for you guys. Happy Friday to you guys. Happy weekend to you guys. Tomorrow we'll be talking more about crypto analysis, what I see for crypto. And then other than that, we'll start again Sunday again. That's it, guys. So happy weekend to you guys. Hope you guys are having a blast. Like I said, enjoy the rest of the summer and keep going. Make sure you like and subscribe. And let's keep going with this. All right.